Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Hiscox Business Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Hiscox Business Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for comparing and selecting business insurance policies. Its main purpose is to help small business owners find suitable and cost-effective insurance coverage. Key features likely include policy comparison tools, quotes, and potentially access to insurance providers. Their website provides details on specific coverage offered. Hiscox's positioning focuses on simplifying the process of finding business insurance. Their website highlights ease of use and potentially offers price transparency. While specific pricing isn't readily available without a quote, the emphasis is on finding competitive options. Availability is presumably nationwide, though specific details would need to be checked on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Hiscox Business Insurance Review My Usage Experience. I needed to find insurance for my small photography business, and Hiscox's platform seemed like a good starting point. Getting started was straightforward. I created an account, provided some basic information about my business and the type of coverage I needed, liability and equipment, and was presented with a range of options within minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The comparison tool allowed me to easily filter results based on price, coverage, and provider. I appreciated the clear summaries of each policy's key features. The performance was excellent, the site loaded quickly and the quote generation process was seamless. I had a quick question about a specific policy detail, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, which was very helpful. I was really impressed by how easy it was to understand the different policies and their pricing. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear comparison tool that allowed me to quickly weigh my options. One minor drawback was the lack of a detailed explanation of policy jargon, though the summaries were generally easy to grasp. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience. Hiscox streamlined a process that I had previously found quite daunting. That's my overview of Hiscox Business Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.